Beating block blast requires a combination of strategy, quick thinking, and pattern recognition. Start by focusing on clearing blocks in larger groups, as this is going to help you create chain reactions that clear more blocks at once. Pay attention to the block colors and how they're aligned. Often it's more efficient to clear multiple colors at once rather than focusing on one. To maximize your score and progress now, try to set up combos or chain reactions. This means leaving some blocks in place temporarily so that when you clear others, they trigger a cascade that takes out even more blocks. This technique can be especially helpful in levels with limited moves, allowing you to clear larger areas with few actions. So just, keep an eye out for power-ups and use them strategically. Some power-ups allow you to clear entire rows or columns, while others might let you remove a specific color or block. Use these sparingly, but wisely, especially when you're stuck or you need to clear a difficult section. Lastly, don't rush. Take your time to plan your moves and consider the long-term impact. Consider the long-term impact of each action. Sometimes waiting for the right movement, sometimes waiting for the right moment to make a move is the key to overcoming tougher levels. So stay patient, keep refining your approach with each attempt, and let me know if this helped you.